guys, I am Duamjit, a proud Google developer, and today I'm going to tell you how to join GitHub's developer program. So are you guys excited? So let's talk and let's get deep into it. Okay, so what you guys can see on my screen is GitHub integrations. So before moving towards it, let me start from very basic thing. Like, I'm going to show you guys how to create GitHub account. I know like it's too basic for the developers, but I have to start from basics, so that's why I'm going back. Okay, so yeah, here, just a second. Okay, so boom, so this is the profile. So can you guys see my profile? Okay, so this is my profile and it includes all the repositories which I have posted till now. So moving downwards, like if I click on edit the profile, here you guys have to name yourself. Simply add your email address and write your bio. It's too basic to create the account, and if you have any socials, add your location and much more. Very basic knowledge. So I'm just closing it here, and these all are my repositories which I have posted till now. And yeah, so here you guys can see some other options. Are you guys excited to know about what is the organizations and enterprises and what it means by sponsors? So clicking on organizations, just wait. So organizations means to work with the organization. Guys, I am going to tell you. So guys, by clicking on organizations, as you guys can see, like it's my personal profile and it haven't any organization yet. So what we can do now, simply click on move to work an organization. Okay, so it's not that kind of difficult thing which you guys can't understand. So simply by clicking on move work to an organization, here comes this kind of interface in front of your eyes. So nothing complex, as you guys can see. Simply these all are my repositories actually. So I clicked on Google Race and then save and continue. Actually here I am going to build my own organization. So by clicking on new organization, and okay, so it has paid and free plan also. Just click at free plan right now and name your organization. Like I want to name my organization as Dua Amjad, and obviously write your email address. And yeah, it's for my personal account, simply. And then you guys have to verify your account, and then simply click at verify, and here comes the verification captcha. I'm tired of filling. Okay, so let's do it. Use the arrows to rotate the image on the right to match the directions of the one on the left. Okay, so we have to meet this one direction, so just rotate like this. Aren't familiar? So yeah, we have completed it, and then just simply submit it. Wait till your account is verified. Oops, what happening? Okay, just simply click that I hereby accept the terms and conditions, and boom, it's setting up your own organization. Isn't it crazy? Okay, so ready to move one repository to Duamjad. Yeah, move to to my organization, and oh wow, so my organization is fully created, and now I can invite any member, customize members permissions, and everything which I want. So basically, if you guys can see here, okay, so here I can also create some pull request and a branch protection rule automation. Like if you have created a WhatsApp account and you have to set its privacy, and it's similar like that, and it's similar to that, and yeah, so it's team administration, project management, client apps, security. And by clicking at community, I am telling you guys in steps, so don't worry about anything. Okay, so these all the sponsors, so just move a bit down, and boom, this is the community. So moving back, here comes team administration. Okay, so here I can add people, create team, and many more. Okay, so it's amazing. So requires GitHub Enterprise. So are you guys excited like me to know about enterprise accounts? So just simply go here, and here it's all the details about it. An enterprise account is the central point of administration for your business on the GitHub. It brings together administrative tools for access management, policies, billing, and more. Enterprise administrators can set up features and policies efficiently at scale before deploying them across the business. This guide provides an overview of the major administrative features included in an enterprise account. By understanding the tools at your disposal, you will be able to adapt GitHub to your unique. Isn't it interesting? Set your business up for the future scaling and enable teams to focus on strategic work. Users, what users can do? Your enterprise contains all the users who need to access any part of your company's resources on GitHub. Users can be grounded into teams and given access to organizations. Depending on your enterprise type, you will invite users into your enterprise with their existing GitHub accounts or provide dedicated accounts from a central identity provider. As I have already told you guys and shown you how, like if you have created your organization, here comes the options that you can also invite to join. Okay, so moving toward organizations, an enterprise account may contain one or more organizations. Like an enterprise account, an organization account contains its own administrative features such as audit logs, policies, and teams. An organization also contains the places where non-admins typically do their work, such as repositories, discussions, and projects. The users in an organization are the people who need to access these places to do their jobs. Generally, you can go on organization consistently from your enterprise account. To allow for more tailored and granular administrative, you can also delegate some decisions such as policy settings to organization administrators. So what is team? Teams are a group of users that you can use to manage people's access to organizations, roles, and license at scale. So I'm not going to I'm not telling you in depth about teams. Like everybody knows, it's basic. So moving towards repositories. Repositories host files such as your company's source code or internal documentation. They are where developers typically do their work. and they contain their own features and administrative options that need to live closer to the code. Such as GitHub Actions, workflows, repositories are owned by the organization that are not directly accessible under the enterprise account. However, your enterprise can define custom repositories to apply the same governance model to all repositories with shared characteristics. For example, if you don't want anyone to delete repositories that contain production code, this is something you can govern from the enterprise level. And then here comes some policies, cost centers, apps. So it is the important point. GitHub apps are a secure way to manage automations across your enterprise. A GitHub app is a dedicated identity that provides scoped tokens to your external scripts and workflows, allowing you to automate processes and integrate with other platforms in your enterprise account. You can define app registrations to automate a process consistently across organizations. You can also install apps for automations that take actions on the enterprise account, such as creating organizations. So, boom. Okay, guys. So, I have told you in detail about enterprise accounts. Right. Okay, so now by clicking at home, and we're going up back. Just a second, what I want to show you is governance and administration. It's actually of all organization which you have just created. So here, what I want to show you guys, like I have already told you in the PDF also, that you can create your team, but currently I have not much time to do so, and I can't tell you each and everything in a single video in much detail. So stuck with me for more details. I'm here to guide you. So basically, what about client? What clients are? So just simply click on it, and here comes clients app. So basically, what it does: accessible anywhere. Use GitHub on Mac, Windows, mobile or tablet with native apps. And it's project management. Okay, so are you guys excited to become the GitHub developer? So you have to join their developer program. Okay, so just a second. Yeah. So the way you guys just signed up, similarly, you guys have to join its developer program. So for this purpose, there are some requirements for every developer. Like you must have submitted, like you have already have some knowledge of the projects or build some projects. It's actually okay, so it's like that. So going to tell you guys that how to create a new repository. So simply click any repository which you wanna clone. Like I open this one, and simply you have to click here, and here you can create a new repository or import any repository, new code base, new organization, new project, and each and everything here. Okay, so hope so this video helped you guys a lot. Thanks for watching.